Hello, to change wallpaper on your Redmi Note 14, first of all we have to press and hold on our home screen, and in the bottom left corner we have this icon with the wallpapers. And right here we are being forwarded to this application themes, and right here we have some online pictures to download for wallpaper, but we can also select from the local pictures that we have already pre-installed on our phone. So we have to go into my account right here and go into wallpapers, and here are all the available wallpapers that we have, and simply we have to select one that we like, and we can zoom in or zoom out the picture, and yeah, we can change the position and simply, as we are satisfied, we simply press apply, and we can set the wallpaper for both lock screen or home screen, or both actually. Yeah, so let me set for both of them. And yeah, wallpaper has been applied, and as you can see right now, hold on. Alright, now you can see that there is this wallpaper that I've changed, so that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.